Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today I'm going to show you how to change this nozzle on your Honda Pilot. Alright guys, so this nozzle is broken on the inside, so it's not spraying on the window, it's spraying inside and it's going around the sides and it's coming out right here and onto the floor. Same thing on this side, see? So, first thing to get access to this, you're going to pop this little plastic covers with a screwdriver. And then you have access to the screws in there, okay? Now you can take off the lens and you can see where the nozzle broke. I tried to fix it temporarily until I got the new part, but as you can see, I didn't do a good job. So you could actually try to get the nozzle off right from here, but I'm gonna take off this light bar just to show you guys better what I'm doing, okay? So in order to do that, I'm gonna remove this screw and the other screw behind here, and this light bar is gonna come out. And this is the way you change your bulbs too, if you want to. All right, guys, this is the light bar. This is what it looks like. If you have a bulb that's out, this is the time to change it. If you want, they just pop out and put the other one in. This thing, in order to take off, disconnect the nozzle, you need to twist this black part. Twist it until you see the hole. See that hole? Now this thing pops out. See? Okay, there's two tabs that hold this nozzle in place. You're gonna squeeze the sides and push out like that. And just push it out. There you go. Okay, guys, this is a new part number, and this is your nozzle. These are the little tabs I was telling you about. So all you're gonna do is make sure the nozzle is facing down, and you're gonna put it in here and just click it in place. That's it. Now you're ready to put it back up. Attach your light bar. Okay. Next, you're gonna attach the hose. I can't do this with one hand, but you're gonna attach it, and then you're gonna twist the black part like that to lock in place, okay? All right, guys, she works great. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.